Baby, why you call me? Do you feel alone? I know that you miss me, but you are so dumb. You know that I'm here, I'm here. Come when you want.
Hi sunshines, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing so you don't miss any time I upload a video. It's free and easy to do. All you have to do is click that big red subscribe button and it really helps me and my channel grow. If you're a returning subscriber, know that I truly appreciate your support and it means so much to me that you're spending your time with me. In today's video, I will be cleaning the main living areas of my home, giving my dog Chipper a bath, and then cleaning our bathtub. I will also be giving you serious laundry motivation as I fold a few loads of laundry, and I finally check a big project off my to-do list, so make sure you stay tuned to find out what it is.
You know that I'm here, I'm here. Come when you want. You know I'll always spray for you leave.
For those of you that are new here, I just want to give you a little bit of background on me and my family. My name is Sarah and I am a full-time CPA, a wife, and a mom. My husband and I have been together for 14 years. We were high school sweethearts. He works in the construction field as a heavy machine operator, and we have an 11-year-old daughter, Kirra. Please leave me a comment below introducing yourself so that we can get to know each other a little bit better and build the Our Tiny Nest community.
Baby, why you call me? Do you feel alone? I know that you miss me, but you are so dumb. You know that I'm here, I'm here. Come when you want. You know I'll always spray for you little boy. I know, yeah. I know that you miss me. 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 I know that.
So like I mentioned in my last video, I'm going to be spray painting my dryer with this Rust-Oleum spray paint in white. I'm gonna be using it to cover up all these rust stains in here, and hoping it comes out okay, but even if it doesn't, you know, the washer and dryer are kind of old and I want to replace them anyway. Now let's give this a try.
You know that I'm here, I'm here. Come when you want. You know, always pray for your little boy. I know, yeah. I know that you miss me. 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 I know that.
For those of you that don't know, this is our dog Chipper. Soon after we bought our home with a large yard for a dog, we went and rescued Chipper. He was one of 11 puppies. He is part pit bull, part bulldog, and he is absolutely the sweetest goofball. We love him so much. Bath time is not his favorite, but he doesn't mind it too much when his best friend stops by with peanut butter. When I'm getting ready to clean my tub, I make sure to give Chipper a bath first, so that way all the dirt that's gonna be in the tub is already in the tub, and we don't decide to give him a bath the day after I've cleaned the bathtub.
Baby, why you call me? Do you feel alone? I know that you miss me, but you are so dumb. You know that I'm here, I'm here. Come when you want. You know, always pray for your little boy. I know, yeah. I know that you miss me. I know that you miss me. I know that you miss me. I know that you miss.
I hope you're ready for some serious laundry folding motivation as you watch me speed fold a few loads of laundry. As you can see, our bathtub is filthy, especially after giving Chipper a bath. If you have watched my previous videos, you know that my husband and I recently purchased our first home. It is a 1960s Cape Cod style home. It has great bones, but definitely could use some upgrades and TLC. My husband and I, with help from friends and family, have been fixing it up little by little ourselves. Some projects we've tackled involve filling in the pool that was in the backyard, giving our kitchen a facelift by installing new floors, painting our cabinets, installing new hardware, and also a bathroom renovation. And you can follow all of our home renovation projects over on Instagram at Our Tiny Nest, and I'll link that in the description below. And I'm going to insert before and after pictures of our bathroom. I'm really proud of the way this came out, and we did it on a budget of under $500. Luckily, all of the tile in here was in really great shape. It was just not the color palette we would have chose. So I actually researched and used Rust-Oleum tub and tile paint all over the tiles. And I'm going to do a video soon talking about how it's holding up after 1 year and what lessons I learned and maybe what I would have done differently in the process. So if you're interested in learning more about that, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss that video.
You know that I'm here, I'm here. Come when you want. You know I'll always pray for your little boy. I know, yeah. I know that you miss me. I know that you miss me. I know. I know that you miss me. I know that you miss me. I know that. Baby, why you call me? Do you feel alone? I know that you miss me, but you are so down. You know that I'm here, I'm here. Come when you want. You know I'll always pray for your little boy. I know, yeah. I know that you miss me. I know that you miss me. I know. I know that you miss me. I know that you miss me. I know that.
And that's it for this week's video. I hope you got a ton of cleaning motivation, laundry motivation, and motivation to tackle a big project that's been lingering on your to-do list. If you like this video, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe, and leave a comment below telling me what things you checked off your to-do list so we can help hold each other accountable. Bye!